All right, so here's our first sentence. We're choosing between then, which is time, and than, which is comparing. So our first sentence says, Tina likes to draw more blank anything in the world. Tina likes to draw more blank anything in the world. Does she like to draw more than anything in the world or more than anything in the world? Remember, then is one finger, than is two fingers. Tina likes to draw more than anything in the world. Tina likes to draw more than anything in the world. Hold up your fingers when you have a response. All right, it looks like we're unanimous. Everybody thinks the correct answer is two than. Tina likes to draw more than anything in the world. Put your fingers down and someone raise your hand if you want to share how you knew the answer. How did you know that? Sasha, can you unmute yourself and tell us how you knew that was the right choice? Oh, I can't hear you. Uh-oh, we're having some technical difficulties hearing Sasha. We're gonna give her a minute to try to figure it out. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, there we go.
Well, they're kind of comparing something like more than anything in the world, instead of saying this happened, then this happened.
Excellent.
It's not like.
Excellent. Hey, Sasha, is there something you like to do more than anything in the world? Like draw or eat candy bars or mess with your brother or play games?
Mess with my brother.
Mess with your brother. Sasha likes to mess with her brother more than anything in the world. Okay, excellent. All right, let's get ready. Let's do another one. Remember, then is one, than is two. So now we're talking about Sam. Sam had to do his homework and blank study for a test. Sam had to do his homework and then study for a test. Sam had to do his homework and then study for a test. Sam had to do his homework and then study for a test. Sam had to do his homework and then study for a test. One finger for then, two for than. All right, I'm checking you guys out. You guys look like, you know what you look like? You look like you're all telling me that I'm number one. I like this answer. I'm just looking at a bunch of kids going like this. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like, again, we're unanimous.
That's
we all
actually
think
funny.
the answer is then. Sam had to do his homework and then study for a test. Sam was not having his best day. That's a lot of things to do in one day. All right, who wants to raise their hand and share how you knew the answer, that the answer was then? Jeremiah.
Than doesn't make sense at all.
Than doesn't make sense at all. Did you guys notice that it was hard for me even to say it? I kind of tripped up on my words when I was trying to put it in there. It didn't sound right. And this is a time order. He had to do this, then this. Okay, it's not a choice. He doesn't get to make a choice. He had to do his homework, then study for a test. All right, let's do another one. Ooh, I like this one.
I also had another one.
All right, well, hold on a second, okay? Let's get through the four, and then we're going to do question time. All right, one's for then, two's for than. I like this one. Emily would rather ride a unicorn blank a dinosaur. Emily would rather ride a unicorn blank a dinosaur. Emily would rather ride a unicorn than a dinosaur. Emily would rather ride a unicorn than a dinosaur. Then, than. see. All right, I see mostly 2s here, but I do see at least one person who has one finger up. So let's have a couple people share, okay? Emily would rather ride a unicorn than a dinosaur. Emily would rather ride a unicorn than a dinosaur. If you think the answer is than, raise your hand to explain why. Steven?
Because they would use the word rather.
Because rather is the choice word. She would rather ride this one than the other one. Okay? Julia, do you want to explain why you chose then? Oh, there you go. Julia, do you want to explain why you chose then?
I chose.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I think I chose one because it's she rather have more. She rather have riding a unicorn than a dinosaur. And that's not what he said he was sending.
Alasia, make sure you're muted on your microphone, okay? Thank you. So go ahead, Julia.
So I chose one because it's like telling her that she likes riding a unicorn than dinosaur.
So remember, one is then, so it would mean she wants to ride a unicorn first and then ride a dinosaur. That would be cool. I would want to do that. Would anyone like to ride a unicorn and then a dinosaur? But Stephen was right. It's the word rather that tells you this is a choice. She would rather do this than that. Okay? Rather do this than that. All right, let's see. I'm going to put those aside, okay? And here's what if you have not gone into Google Classroom, this is the time to go into Google Classroom. There are 2 sessions on then and then in Google Classroom. One is like a little worksheet with a video to watch. It's pretty funny. If you've watched it already, it's pretty silly. And then the second part is a quiz and quizzes. If you've already taken the quiz and you did not get 100, go ahead and take it again. You can take it as many times as you want. It'll show me every time you took it, but you can take it again. All right? If you've already done that and you got 100, then that's fine.